Billy, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
And how's your day, Billy?
Here, I don't
Okay, that's good.
I
Welcome to class, Billy. Welcome to class. So we'll just go straight to the material. Now, Billy, um, today we are going to continue from where we stopped. We're gonna do the opinion practice. I want you to start with the supporting opinion. And for the supporting opinion, for each opinion numbered 1 to 4, there is one opinion from A to D that perfectly supports the opinion, like perfectly agrees with the opinion. So when you see a statement here from 1, 2, 3, and 4, you look for a statement here that perfectly agrees with the statement in 1 to 4. Do you understand?
yes.
Okay, so let's start. When you're ready, please tell me what is the answer for number 1? You can take 1 minute for each answers.
Is B.
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 And
B.
okay, when you're ready, you give me number 2.
Two. Number
Number 2 is
two.
what?
Number two is I.
Number 2 is what?
I.
A. And number 3?
Number three is D.
And number 4?
Number four is C.
Okay, that's good. Now let's look at it. We need to know times tables, and you chose B, which says because we need to do math every day. That is correct. And number 2, students need to learn many different subjects, and you chose A because companies want workers who have a lot of skills. Well, the answer is C because smart people know a lot of information. So C. And number 3, learning practical skills is fun. And you chose D because they are helpful and interesting. That is correct. And number 4, students need to learn many useful skills. And you chose C, which is not correct. The answer is A, because companies want workers who have a lot of skills. So the answer is A. Now, the reason why the answer for number 2 is C is because it says students need to learn many different information. And for students to learn many different information, they will become smart people. So the answer will be because smart people know a lot of information. So when students learn different information, they become smart people. Do you understand, Billy?
Yes.
And number 4, the answer is A because number 4 says students need to learn many useful skills because companies want workers to have a lot of skills. So companies nowadays prefer workers who have many different skills. That is why it is important for students to learn different skills. So, Billy, read all the statements together with the supporting answers.
Three. who have timetable because we need to mark every day. Students need to learn many different subjects because smart people have a lot of information. Learning digital skill is fun because they are helpful and interesting. Students need to learn many advanced skills because harmonious but one workout who have a a lot of skill.
Okay, that's good. Now we'll move to the refuting opinion. For the refuting opinion, for each opinion numbered 1 to 4, there's one opinion from A to D that perfectly agrees with them. So whatever number 1 says, you look for an opinion here that, oh, disagrees. Refuting is disagreeing. Do you understand, Billy? Do you understand, Billy?
Yes,
Refuting is disagreeing. So whatever number 1, number 2, number 3, or 4 says, you will look for one opinion from A, B, C, and D that perfectly refutes or disagrees with the opinion. So when you're ready, you can give me your answer. Okay, are you ready? Can I have it?
yes.
What is number 1?
Number 1 is D.
And number 2?
2 E B.
And number 3?
Number 3 is 8.
And number 4?
Number 4 is C.
Okay, that's good, Billy. Now let's look at it. Learning about other countries is a waste of time, and you chose D. I disagree. If people are good at school subjects, they will have a better life. That is not correct. So, Billy, this is talking about learning about other countries. What you're supposed to do is look for a disagreeing opinion that speaks about other country. And where do we see that? We see that in C. C says, I disagree. If we can learn different countries, or if we can learn about different countries, we can understand our country better. So the answer for number 1 is C. Do you understand? Because I said you're supposed to look for an opinion here that perfectly disagrees with what this says. So this is talking about learning about other countries being a waste of time. So you should look for something that says learning about other countries is not a waste of time. Do you understand, Billy?
Yeah.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
Good. Now, the next one says students need to learn practical skills to have a better life. And you chose B, which says, I don't think so. If we learn about something that will help us to understand our world better. Okay, this is not correct. Remember, you're supposed to look for something that refutes. Um, This is talking about practical skills. So since you're refuting, you're disagreeing. Billy, are you with me? Are you with me, Billy? Since you're
Yeah.
disagreeing, you have to look for something that is opposite practical skills. And this says, I disagree. If people are good at school subjects, they will have a better life. So remember, this is talking about practical skills giving people better life. But the other one says, even school subjects can give better lives. So did you see that this refutes number two perfectly? Did you see it, Billy?
Yes.
And number three says students need to know how to fix things. And you chose A. I don't think so. We can get help from people who can fix things. Number three is correct, Billy. And number four, it is not a good idea to learn about something we will never use. And you chose C, which is not correct. C says, I disagree. If we'll learn about different countries, that is not correct. The answer will be B because B says, I don't think so. If we learn about something that will help us understand our world better. So number four says it is not a good idea to learn about something we will never use. And A, the answer, sorry, B, the answer says, I don't think so. If we learn about something, that will help us understand our world better. So the answer here is B. So, um, Billy, hello, Billy,
Teacher.
please read all the statements together with the refuting answers.
Learning about other countries is waste of time. Students need to learn. Sorry, teacher. Time. Um. This is free. If we learn about different countries, we can understand our country better. Mm, Student needs practical skill
To have
to
a better
have
life.
a to have um
Continue.
I disagree if people are good at schools to subtract we will have a better um left it's not a good idea to learn something new for us done and so if we learn about something that it will Me us understand our better.
Okay, read the refuting opinion. Read the refuting opinion of number 4, Billy.
It's not a good idea to learn about something never us. I don't think so. If we learn about um
Okay, that's good. Now, Billy, I want you to read the opinion, the opinion examples, read the opinion examples and explain. Start with the supporting opinion. You read it and then you tell me what you understand from what you just read.
Thanh
Read
chín
it,
này,
Billy.
trước này nhá, xíu này tại trái sau ok chưa? Thanh chín này, thanh chín tên là Khang Lào đây à?
Billy.
Ok, chọn luôn. Cứ muốn có robot này, nhiều robot này, trái người Việt này, ngủ trên cành là ok các bạn nhé. Em đã đăng ký rồi mà chờ lâu lắm rồi anh cho em đi vào ok luôn. Hoàng thân nhá. Su lớp nhỏ à?
They are
Ok, cho bạn luôn nhá.
They will wait
Tiếp
second
theo bạn Mirami này.
worker
Cho em đi thiếu robot à? Rồi ok. Cho em 9.000 đồng em xúc trái người Việt hoặc là em chơi game khác tùy em thôi. Cho em cái gì thì cũng xúc được nhá. Đó, xem thì chúng ta cứ có thích trái gì hoặc là cần trái gì thì comment thật là mạnh, còn bạn nào muốn sẽ đối bù 100%
Okay, so
này.
Billy, what do you understand from what you just read? And I don't know, is that a TV playing? Can you
Bình luận
reduce
nhá.
the volume of your TV? Billy?
Nguyễn này,
Billy?
anh ơi, rồi ok
Can you
luôn.
hear me, Billy?
Này,
Please reduce
bạn
the
nào
volume of your
đang xem
TV.
không nhỉ? Ở
Reduce the
đây mình đang
volume
còn
of
thừa
your TV. Your TV. Okay.
What TV?
So, Billy, what do you understand from what you just read? What do you understand from what you just read?
I don't know.
Okay, so now look at this is the main idea, and the main idea says schools need to teach students practical skills. That means not just school subjects, students need to learn practical skills. And the first reason, which is the supporting idea, is learning practical skills is much more fun than learning useless facts. The useless fact is referring to school subjects. It says students can learn how to use tools. They can also learn how to cook. These skills are always needed. They can use the skills in the future. They can use the skills to work in many companies. Now, the second supporting idea says most students know about the past of their country, but many of them don't know how to fix a computer. In other words, they know about subjects, but they don't know how to use practical skills. That is why it is important for schools to teach the students practical skills first. Do you understand, Billy? Do you understand? Billy, do you understand what I just said? Billy, do you understand what I just said, Billy? Do you understand?
Yes.
Now, the second one, I want you to read the opposing opinion. Read this one.
Students need to learn many different subjects.
Continue.
Students need many different in school, such as math and science. The work is changing very fast. Students need to learn as much how as possible. Only then we successful second learning. School subjects can be fun for example. Many students stay up enjoying learning that skill. Some say that was enjoying learning is the most important thing on life.
Okay, so the opposing opinion says that students need to learn many different subjects in school, such as math and science. You can see that the supporting opinion says students should learn practical skills, right, Billy?
Yes.
But the opposing opinion says no, students should learn different subjects such as math and science. And it gives us two supporting ideas, which is the first one says the world is changing really fast. Students need to learn students need to learn as much knowledge as possible, and only then can they be successful. In other words, when students learn different subjects, they will be successful. That is what the opposing opinion is saying. The opposing opinion also says that learning school subjects can be fun. For example, many students say that they enjoy learning art skills. Art skills are part of school subjects. Some say that they enjoy doing scientific experiments. We all know that is also part of school subjects, right? Enjoying learning is the most important things in our lives. Do you understand, Billy?
Yes.
Now, Billy, I want you to circle the main idea in the supporting opinion and the opposite opinion, and then underline the supporting ideas in the supporting opinion and the opposing opinion. Do that now, Billy. Let's go, let's go, let's go, Billy. Circle the main idea in the supporting opinion and the supporting ideas in the opposing opinion. And then underline the supporting ideas in the supporting opinion and the the supporting ideas in the supporting opinion and the refuting opinion. Let's go, Billy.
Uh, is
Circle it. Billy, circle the main idea. Circle the main idea in the supporting and the refuting opinion, the opposing opinion. And underline the supporting ideas in the supporting and the opposing opinion.
enjoying learning about
Oh my God. Circle it,
water.
Billy. Circle, circle. Circle it. I said circle. Come on. Circle the main idea in the supporting opinion and then underline the main idea in the same supporting opinion. Then circle the main idea in the opposing
Something,
opinion and underline the main idea in the opposing opinion.
something
Billy,
opinion.
circle it. Stop reading it. Circle, circle. If you can do it, say I can do it and I'll show you.
I don't circle.
Billy, it's not I don't circle. I can't circle. Say, Billy, I can't circle. Repeat after me. Come on, your English was wrong. I'm correcting you.
You can circle.
Now look at. This is the main idea in the supporting opinion. And this is the main idea in the opposing opinion. Do you see it? Did you see what I did?
Yes.
Now this is the supporting idea in the supporting opinion. And this is the supporting idea in the opposing opinion. Do you understand, Billy?
Yes.
Okay, that's good.
Learning practical skill much more fun than learning. Us first student can learn how us to he can also learn how to cook there. A skill they will away new second money. Capsules one worker who can serve read more plans. More students well now about the boss of country but now no money and how to fit a computer. Complex ready needs people who have practical skill.
Okay, that's good. Now we're going to go to the discussion questions. So please tell me, Billy, is it important to get a perfect score on a test? Tell me, is it important to get a perfect score on a test, Billy?
What teacher?
Is it important to get a perfect score on a test?
It's important to get before on the test.
Okay, your English is not correct. You're supposed to say, yes, it is important to get a perfect score on a test. Say, Billy. Say, Billy.
Yes, it's important to get a before star on a test.
This word is perfect. Say, Billy. Perfect. Perfect.
Perfect.
Again, Billy. Perfect.
Perfect.
Okay, that's good. So for your homework, I want you to make a video debating that school should teach only practical skills because that is what we need in real life. You either agree or you disagree. Make a video debating that schools should teach only practical skills that we need in real life. Give reasons. Do you understand, Billy? Billy,
Teacher.
I just gave you your homework. I said, make a video debating that schools should teach only practical skills that we need in real life. You either agree or you disagree, and you give reasons, okay?
Okay, teacher.
All right, so Philip did not come today, right? All right,
Yeah.
bye, Billy.